Good evening. On behalf of the 7 member societies that make up the Federation of Analytical Chemistry and Spectroscopy, we welcome you to the 2011 FACSS Conference. Since its beginnings in 1973, FACSS has created a tradition of proudly bringing together leading scientists across many disciplines for scientific exchange. FACSS has accomplished this mission through world-class technical programs, exhibitions, and a variety of informal networking opportunities. The meeting covers the whole of analytical chemistry, with an emphasis on emerging technologies. Over the years, FACSS has developed a loyal following of conferees from the U.S. and abroad that have traveled with us to many cities across North America. For your participation and continued support, we thank you. Our conference would not exist without you and the value you bring to our scientific community. As such, we must also not forget colleagues who came before us and helped FACSS become what it is today. From the first FACSS governing chair in 1973, Dr. Jeanette Griselli, to this year's governing chair, Dr. Doug Gilman, and next year's governing chair, Dr. Ian Lewis, the member societies and the Federation's volunteer board have brought and will continue to bring the types of talks and colleague interaction that makes for an invaluable conference experience. As many of you know, our conference has always carried the name of the Federation. Roughly 10 years ago, the FACSS leadership began to examine who we are as an organization and what benefits we bring to our scientific community. At the end of this process, and after careful review of our history and breadth of activities, we realized we had become a unique and ever-welcoming forum for scientific exchange. This is a very special evening for FACSS, and we would like to make a very special announcement. After 38 years, we felt a great conference deserved its own great name. As such, ladies and gentlemen, our 2012 conference, SciX, the Great Scientific Exchange. SciX 2012 will continue the great conference tradition brought to you by FACSS over the years and will enable the Federation to continue to expand into other areas of interest in the analytical sciences and welcome other colleagues who will bring value to our great scientific exchange.
Hello, this is Felix Schneider. I attended my first FACSS meeting in Philadelphia in 1976. I served as general co-chair for the 87, 93, and 01 meetings in Detroit. I would like to congratulate FACSS for continuing to be one of the premier meetings for analytical science. I am proud of FACSS and its continued growth and success in meeting the needs of today's scientists.
Again, thank you for your participation, and we look forward to seeing you at SciX 2012 in Kansas City, presented by FACSS. Enjoy the conference.